How to transfer WordPress website from one hosting to another. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up the different websites of yours or different WordPress websites of yours on different tabs of your browser, and after that you would have to open up the plugin section of your WordPress and search for Migrate Guru to be precise, and simply search for it. After that, you should be able to find this one. It is by Migrate Guru. Simply open it up, and you have to install this particular plugin on both of your WordPress sites. And after installing this on both of your WordPress sites, you will have to open up the Migrate Guru on the one from where you are actually migrating. So open up the initial website from where you are migrating. The Migrate Guru should be on the left hand side panel. Simply open it up and put your email address over there, accept the terms and conditions, and click on the option of migrate site. And this way you would be prompted to select host. It's better to select the option of other host even if you are able to see your host over there. So select the option of other host, as we will be making it quite easier this way. So after selecting other host, you would be requiring to put the migration key, and for that we will open up the Migrate Guru on the destination site or the final site where we are actually migrating to. So open up the destination site of yours where you are migrating to, and go to the Migrate Guru option on left hand side panel, and over there you should be able to find the option of migration key. Simply click on it, and this way you would be able to see your migration key. Simply copy it and paste it up on the selecting host section, and after that click on the option of migrate. And this way it would take some time for you to migrate depending on the site that you are currently using. If it is quite heavy, then it might take around 45 to 60 minutes at max, and after that you should be able to complete the migration process. And after that, just simply click on the option of visit migration site, and you should be able to see the changes or migration happening or happened. So this is how you would be able to migrate your hosting from one site to another using your WordPress plugins quite easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.